Hello everyone and welcome to ITEC 6900 Graduate Capstone. I am Artez Washington, a graduate student at Middle Georgia State University, and my professor is Dr. Neil Rigoli, PhD. And today's presentation is, are baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials acceptable to artificial intelligence assistance in cybersecurity? Okay. I would like to start by edifying the audience with the question: what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence has an ambiguous meaning. Experts say AI is a humanoid with superhuman abilities. Artificial intelligence initiated from computer science in Dartmouth Conference of 1956. Its design is by Turing tests. AI gathers information, data from users, and provide or offer helpful assistance to users. How does artificial intelligence work? Deep learning, engineering, and big data with high-performance processing chips and algorithms fostering artificial intelligence. Microsoft's Cortana, Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google's Home Assistants all provide helpful and useful information and feedback. Examples: they provide routes to work and the estimated times of arrival. They provide package delivery notifications from online orders. An example: if you place an order on Amazon, your digital assistant smartphone will give you the exact time that you place your order. It would notify you when your order is shipped from the distribution. It will also notify you from point A to point B, and it will notify you when your package is delivered to your home. Are baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials acceptable to artificial intelligence assistance in cybersecurity? First, we need to understand why security is important. In 2015, the Office of Personnel Management, OPM, was breached by an attacker who gained personal identifiable information that consists of 4 major PII, which are social security numbers, state licenses, addresses, and date of birth of more than 21 million people, and there were minor PII compromised as well. The impact on people's lives and organizations are horrendous, and it takes a lot of hard work to recover from a disastrous event. Information on an individual, the hacker can use that information to create fake identities and ruin an individual's life. The thought of someone having personal identifiable information and using that information for financial gain and destroying credit is overwhelming. The goal of this research is to gather statistics of the baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials' acceptance of artificial intelligence assistance with cybersecurity. There are several charts in different countries that give generational categories by different years. I would like to say that from 1964 dating backwards, meaning later years, baby boomers consist in that category. From 1965 to 1985, generational X consists in that category. And 1985 to present time are your millennials. The methodology used for this testing: there were survey questions asked and collected as data for analyzing the generational's group awareness. The survey questions are as follows: what is your age? Well, the age gives us the categorizations for baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials. And with that data, I was able to get the information needed statistically for the results. Question 2, what is your highest level of education completed or highest degree received? How confident are you that your payment information is secure when buying products online? Is question 3. Question 4, how confident do you feel about storing personal information in the cloud? Question 5, how confident do you feel about the government, companies having your private information? Question 6, how satisfied would you be with a company implementing artificial intelligence to secure your data? And lastly, question 7, how confident would you feel in making online purchases knowing your data is secure with the use of artificial intelligence? The results. The results from participants came from a survey through Google Forms electronically. Ms. Ammons, Ms. Mitchell, and myself collected and analyzed the results using IBM SPSS version 25, using different types of testing methods. The t-test measured the difference in the data. According to the statistics, 63.6% of the participants felt somewhat confident that their payment information is secure online, while 63.6% of the participants feel somewhat confident about storing their information in the cloud. 40.9% of the participants feel somewhat confident with the government and companies having their private information, while 40.9% of the participants felt neutral about this topic. 45.5% of the participants felt somewhat confident with artificial intelligence securing their data. These are the tables from the results. This is the information that was gathered from the tables of the age and categorization: baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials. And these are the statistics based on the questionnaires given to the generational population and the results. In conclusion, according to the statistics, the questions: are baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials acceptable to artificial intelligence assistance in cybersecurity? The results are mixed. Baby boomers are less likely to buy anything online, but are more confident in the government having their private information. Generation X and millennials are neutral in storing data in the cloud and more confident in making purchases online. All generational categories are optimistic with artificial intelligence securing data. The goal of this research, let's say modern day cases and studies reveal that if a user is not knowledgeable about a particular piece of technology or software, they tend to either feel uneasy or abandon the whole idea. Okay, in this slide, I would like to show a quick video and the capabilities of artificial intelligence and how this technology can be used to secure the generational population's data. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes my presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have an understanding of the possibilities of artificial intelligence securing everyone's data. And this is the reference page. And this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.